everybody, I'm here at Ashland Nature Center and I have a YouTube friend with me today. This is Suzanne Jackson, and do you want to tell
Hi.
a little bit about what you do and your YouTube?
I have a YouTube channel that's got a mix of things, lots of nature and travel, but also books and a little bit about chronic illness as well.
And you're also a published author, right?
Oh yes, I've got a couple of books.
And we connected over a video, I believe, about Trap Pond. Is how we kind of found each other's channels. And I love to read, so I really enjoy. I found a lot of good book ideas and things to add to my reading list. And then you also do travel with your travel trailer, right? And you go to national parks.
Yeah, we've got a camper, a trailer. We're planning a big, almost 6-week trip this summer out west to Montana, Glacier National Park, up into Canada. So we're really excited about that.
Yeah, so be sure to go check out your channel. It's just under your name, right?
Yeah, it's just Sue Jackson, DE for Delaware.
And then she's also on Instagram, so you can check her out over there as well. So here at the Ashland Nature Center, there are over 4 miles of trails, and some have a little bit of hills, some are flat, so you can choose the kind that suits you best. So there is a beautiful little nature center, pollinator gardens. You can see a fish. Yeah, that's a really cool tree. So this is the Ashland Bridge that spans Red Clay Creek, and you can see that this was built in 1850. And then this plaque here is showing you all the different times they did rehabilitation and different things throughout its history, but it's a beautiful little bridge, and it is right by the Nature Center. So I finished my hike with Sue, and I'm just going to explore the trails a little bit more around here. I absolutely love this nature preserve. I can't believe I've never been here before. Little bird's nest up there. Wow, really cool views up here. You can see really far off in the distance. As you move through this hilly meadow section, you hear a lot of crickets, a lot of grasshoppers, just the quiet little gentle sounds that you hear in a meadow. They have some nice signage about what type of hawks you might be able to see. I've always wanted to see the golden eagle, but I have not had the chance to see that yet. So really nice views from up here at the Hawk Watch area. There's a number of little bird boxes and you can see birds going in and out of them. So I'm gonna try to get some footage of that for you. So if you come here to hike at this preserve, there's a lot of variety. You have these beautiful meadow sections, then you have creekside areas, forested areas. For a little nature preserve, there's really a lot of variety. And I always love that as a hiker. I like to go through the different environments and see the changes on the trail. I also really love when somebody takes you to their favorite spot. So in hiking with Sue, she was able to share a lot of memories of taking her family here and different experiences and things that she loves about the preserve. When I first came up, I saw the purple martin houses and they didn't have any activity, but now just a few minutes later they do. The other really neat thing are all these signs. So purple martins are large swallows. The bird houses are like condominiums. They typically return to the same houses year after year, and they feed on flying insects. They're graceful flyers with a musical call. Okay, so for me, this is gonna wrap up my time here, but I really enjoyed hiking with Sue today and checking out this preserve that I'd never been to before. There really are so many amazing preserves and spaces that you wouldn't even know about if you don't hear about them from somebody or if you look them up through the internet. And there's just so many great little places that maybe you've never heard of that are awesome to hike and check out. So find your little local preserve, find those places near you, and I encourage you to check them out, and hopefully you'll have a great day like I did. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.